Welcome to my channel. Today let's talk about Safemoon. Well, we all know that Safemoon last year Safemoon did well, and Safemoon is one of those coins a lot of people started buying towards last year and the end of last year. But in this video we'll be talking about how much can we make from Safemoon if we decide to keep Safemoon, and is Safemoon still one of the best cryptocurrency we can buy and keep. Not just that, we'll be looking at the past performance of Safemoon. For example, on the 3rd March 2021, Safemoon was trading with 11 zeros. Yes, Safemoon was trading with 11 zeros, and by March 12th, Safemoon was trading with 7 zeros. Now, can you notice $100 investment then when Safemoon was trading with 7 zeros will have given you over 5 billion coins of Safemoon, and that's 5 billion coins of Safemoon today would have worth over $2,000. That is a lot of profit if you ask me. But today, Safemoon is trading with 7 zeros. Safemoon is actually trading with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, Safemoon is trading with 6 zeros, and we'll be looking at how much do you need to invest in Safemoon if you want to make good amount of money in future to come. $100 investment, let's say $120 investment in Safemoon will give you over 250 million coins of Safemoon. And note this, that let's assume if Safemoon ever reach the current price of Shiba Inu, then Shiba Inu is trading with 4 zeros, and now Safemoon is trading with what? With 6 zeros. Now, if Safemoon reach the current price of Shiba Inu, that means Safemoon will be trading with 4 zeros. How much can we make if we decide to buy 250 million coins of Safemoon? The truth is this: if Safemoon start trading with 4 zeros, your 250 million coins of Safemoon, which you can buy today at the time of recording this video with just $120, will be worth over $12,000. Wow, that is a lot of money, and we hope this happen because, of course, Safemoon have also showed that this crypto coin have a lot of followers on Twitter. Safemoon have over 1.4 million Twitter followers. Can you see this? 1.4 million Twitter followers. This is amazing for a coin like the Shiba Inu have about 2.9 million followers. And you also know that Safemoon is ranked number 229 crypto coin. You can see Safemoon have a future. People love Safemoon, and Safemoon also have over 553,000 watch lists. That shows that this coin is a coin that I believe in future this coin is going to rise. Even on Instagram, Safemoon have over 124,000 Instagram followers, and Safemoon have been carrying a lot of projects and businesses with other companies. So for me, Safemoon is one of the best coins one can start to buy, one can invest on. Now they are among the top 220 crypto coins in the market with over 219 million market cap. Well, Safemoon is one of the best coins. I have Safemoon coins, but the truth is I will keep my coin for some time, but I believe from now to 2025 Safemoon will be losing about 2 zeros, and if you have 250 million coins, then you will be making over $12,000 if the crypto market keep gaining. Although in the past 5 months, so many coins have been showing some bearish because of so many news, fundamental news, and especially the issue between Russia and Ukraine have affected cryptocurrency. And we hope that everything will turn back, and so all these coins will start gaining some value. As you can see, Bitcoin last year, Bitcoin reached $67,000. Now Bitcoin is actually trading at $39,000, and Ethereum is trading at $2,500. Bitcoin have actually in the past 7 days have lost 2 cents, but we hope that Bitcoin will rise again and Bitcoin will hit $67,000 again. But that might be happening from now to what? From now to 5 to 7 months time. If for Bitcoin to ever reach $7,000, it will not be happening this month or next month. That will be happening next, from between now to the ending of the year. Bitcoin can actually hit even $80,000 if everything starts moving. And remember, Bitcoin is the father of all cryptocurrency. So whatever affects Bitcoin most times affect other cryptocurrency. So the same thing goes towards Safemoon, and we hope everything works out well. Welcome to my channel. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell, because what we do here, we talk about cryptocurrency, how to make money, and trading. We also teach people how you can analyze crypto coins before you buy them. Thank you.